All right, so in this video, I go over Python. It's an exercise in Python that links images in a folder and creates an app. This is the code, and it starts off, this will be an image viewer application called Lake Powell Adventures, and initialize Pygame. Then we go and set the screen width and height. We link the images in the folder. We run the main loop, create a variable to hold the index of the current image, so on and so forth. Set up a clock and then quit the application by pressing the escape key. And those link to the folder. And then this folder is just called Adventures at Lake Powell. It has pictures of a bunch of jet skiing at Lake Powell. That's it. Thanks for watching.